Hi team. So, we bought a house, and as you can see, we moved in. The house is on a ½ acre of lawn, so you can bet that we're going to be working towards a huge heckin' garden. But because it's so late in the season, most of the work right now is planning and observing how the sun hits the property and really just getting to know all of the other beings that live here with us. The previous owners had a small, approximately 50 square foot plot near the house that had been a bit neglected. So we thought that for the first project that we have here, it would be great to see what we could salvage and to bring some new life into the space. So we thought we'd bring you along with us while we began this particular gardening journey. This is what the garden looked like when we got here. There were some pepper and tomato plants, as well as lettuce, kale, chives, and some sad-looking carrots and radishes. We decided to keep only the healthiest plants and remove most of the non-edibles. As you can see, we kept the lush hostas in the back. After cleaning it up, we added 2 bags of this black earth to bring some nutrients to the soil because we had no idea how the bed was treated before. We also added some fertilizer, which was left over from our balcony garden in 2020. And then, we gave it a good soak. Next, we added some cedar mulch. It was added around the existing plants to reduce the amount of watering needed and to keep the weeds down. Our plan was to use the square foot method, so we added some additional mulch to make sure we had a place to stand while accessing the whole bed. The cedar mulch also really looks nice and smells amazing. We picked up some seeds from a local store, and we decided to plant carrots and turnips, beets, chard, and spinach. We looked for fast maturing varieties, but really didn't put any thought in beyond that. Experiments! As mentioned before, we used the square foot method. That meant that we planted 4 seeds per square foot for spinach and the rainbow chard, 9 per square for the turnips and beets, and 16 for the carrots. With the varieties we selected, everything should mature within 60 days, putting us ahead of our expected frost date of September 26th. We had a lot of fun with our first garden project and look forward to sharing more as we plan our larger garden ahead of next season. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time.